Hi everyone, today we learn how to make journal entry for credit purchase with sales tax. So sometimes we purchase inventory or service from our supplier. So supplier charge tax from us. That is called sales tax. About sales tax rate is different from one country to other country. For our example, we assume a sales tax rate is only 10%. So let's see our example together. We assume XYZ company purchased inventory on credit for 100,000 amount before sales tax, and sales tax rate is only 10%. So how can we make journal entry for it transaction? Before we record, we need to find amount. Before amount include sales tax 100,000 multiplied by 1.1 because tax rate is 10%. So that 1.1. If sales tax rate 20%, so multiplied by 1.2 equal to 110,000. So we can make journal entry debit purchase or inventory. How much? It is only 100,000. Why? Because sales tax we can claim from government. So sales tax is not cost of inventory. I mean that our supplier charge tax from us, and then we can claim from the government. So sales tax is not cost of inventory. $10,000 and credit account payable. You can use word trade payable or only payable. The same idea. 110,000. So this is a journal entry for that transaction above. Thank you for watching our video. Goodbye.